We got a nice 1972 Chevelle, black and white, 454 SS. Last year, real muscle cars, 72, 73. They went with the funky bumpers, 5-mile-an-hour bumpers. So here we got a 1972 Chevelle SS 454. Last year, the muscle car. It's got 5-spoke rims on it, bigger tires in the back than the front. It's got the tack up there on the wheel, classic muscle car tradition. It's a nice straight car. Actually, matter of fact, the paint is better than the factory. The factory would never have paint this nice. So you can see the front end, USA plate on it, 1972. Very nice looking year. Last year, the really good stuff, 72, 73, and up. They started with 5-mile-an-hour bumpers and a lot more emissions. People just take emission stuff, well, believe me. But they really screwed the design up after 72. It's the last good year